Hi everyone, it's Chantal from Fresh is Real. I cannot wait for you to take a look at my new quick butternut squash sourdough recipe. I know that's a mouthful, but really it's pretty simple. It has 10 ingredients and it's made over a period of 2 days rather than taking like up to 7 days to make a sourdough starter. I prepared this simplified process to encourage, beginner bakers to give this recipe a try. It's gluten-free, it's vegan, so it doesn't have eggs or dairy, and there is subs for the certain flours recommended in case you cannot eat one or another. If you have any questions throughout the process, just let me know in the comments. I would love to help you troubleshoot just ingredient substitutions or baking methods, anything you need help with. And it would really help me out if you could subscribe to my channel, because the more people that subscribe, it encourages me to develop more and more recipes. And that's it. Just watch the video and honestly just let me know if you have any questions. I'd love to help. Thank you.